Alright, video 2, folks. BXS. This is another financial. And here is the top horizontal at 23.79. CBRE. Big commercial real estate firm here. A whole bunch of prior rounded tops. We zoom in here, and this is a series of lower highs. The horizontal is at 4604, but in this case, I would certainly use one of these lower phenomena as the basis for a stop loss. CM, broken triangle, and a nice clean top. Horizontal on this one is at 62.75. And the whole idea of these videos is just kind of drink them in, and you might find some that are particularly appealing to you. And that this is just a grab bag of what I consider to be good ideas. CME, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, way above long-term support. And we've got our topping pattern up at 192.36. CNQ. This is kind of a sophisticated pattern here. We've got this broken, enormous pattern here going back about 12 years. And we had a failure of that pattern during the sell-off. And the price kept way up here. I've actually anchored this to the most recent high price at 17.71. COG. This one broke down from its trend line, has a lot of overhead supply here, fell hard, recovered, and the horizontal on this one's at 22.23. CPT, Camden Property Trust, broken trend line. We zoom in, and we've got a horizontal here that we're pretty close to, 93.46. Denny's, DENN, broken long-term trend line, price gap, 12.56. DKS, Dick's Sporting Goods, got a quartet of rounded tops over the past 9 years. We tagged this trend line repeatedly, and the most recently we've got a horizontal here at 31.73. DLX, we've got a clean rounded top here and a series of horizontals progressing lower. This horizontal is at 3594, but were I to short it, I'd probably use something like one of these lower bars here because that's just too far away. DTE, way above long-term support here, broken shorter-term trend line, and a horizontal on this one, 113.30. But you can see in instance after instances, diminishing gains, diminishing ability to vault higher, loss of energy. Brinker, symbol EAT, EAT, horizontal here, 29.30, and same idea, inability to get back up to that level. Eastman Chemical, EMN, horizontal at 64.19. 5. This one, not as much history to it. 94.62 is the horizontal on this retailer. Foot Locker. In this instance, we've got this topping pattern, and our horizontal on this one is at 27.84. FR. This is an analogous broken trend line, and we have had a tremendous bounce on this one. But, as I keep saying, diminishing energy. The price gap's up here at 39.76. G, broke its trend line, recovered well above it, and so the resistance at this point is at 36.03. GBX, Greenbrier, broke its trend line ages ago. Trio of horizontals, most recent of which is valued at 21.06. GD, General Dynamics, broken long-term trend line, inverted cup with saucer, and the gap actually is higher than this, 14246. I've anchored this instead to the most recent high. The last one for this group, GRA, beautiful, massive rounded top, and past tops on this one have produced good results. And in this case, what I've done is we're at a price gap, mashed right up against it, 52.11. Obviously, it could blow right past it. I mean, it's it's right there, but the more meaningful resistance zone is right up here. And that's it for video 2.